So, if you're taking my science class, you've probably discovered something. In science, we do everything in metric. But, now if you've got an electronic scale, there's probably a switch on it. You can flick the switch and go from pounds to kilograms, no problem. But what if you got one of these? These cheap little things, they just have a spring in them. And you step on it and it makes it spin. Well, how do you turn pounds to kilograms? So let's start out here. I will start out by showing you. Well, or Sylvia will start out. Go ahead and step on it. So what do we got here? Now, it looks like you have 70. So go ahead, and it seems to be 70 right on the dot. Not just roughly 70, 70 on the dot. So she's got 70. And I'm going to step on here, and oh my God, much bigger number. And by the look of it, woo, 252. Blimey. All right, so, and by the way, we just did this in rehearsal. We got some different numbers, but we're just going to pretend that this is accurate and precise. Okay, so I have 252 pounds, and you got 70 pounds. Now, to convert pounds to kilograms, you divide by 2.20. Now, it's actually 2.204, but let's face it, the scale is not that precise, so you're kind of wasting your time with those extra digits. But Sylvia's going to do her calculation, and I'm going to do mine. And we'll see what we get. Now again, don't worry about a huge amount of extra digits. What'd you get? So while she's writing her answer, I'm going to write my answer.
Wait, what is it?
It says 31.3, so just round out to 31. Well, all right, so I'm going to step on, just round to the 31 kilograms, and I'm going to do the same thing. So my number, I had 252 divided by 2.2, and I come up with 114.5. Now, 114.5, I'm going to round that up to 115 kilograms. I need to eat less and exercise more. But anyway, there you go. Now, of course, people of different masses are going to get different answers. And make sure you write down and give me your answer, because the physics that we're going to be doing is based on your body. It's not based on some other person. It's supposed to be real for your body, because we're going to use these numbers to calculate the force of gravity acting on you, work that you will be doing, and other things. So make sure you give me your numbers. I don't want someone else's numbers. I want your numbers. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. You going to wave to the camera? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And don't trip over the scale, by the way. Bye-bye.